All right, give yourself a round of applause. Yay! You have arrived at the final module and you are doing great if you are here. The last thing we need to do is take all the work that we've done as teams, as cohorts, as fellow co-laborers in the vineyard of teaching. Now we're going to put all that together and we're going to put all of our work into a collective place so that our students can access it. And that collective place is Google Classroom. And here again, I go to my Google Apps icon and I click it and I go down to where it says Classroom and I click on that. Now, if you have never used Classroom before, let's do some very basic things. First, where it says the addition sign, you will create your class. So you click here and you create your class. And let's call it Glad to be finished with these modules. And create. And it takes a little while, not very long, but you know, we're the microwave generation now, so we like things done expeditiously. But as we are waiting for it to create this classroom for us, and there you go. There it is. It's done. Now, as you see, there are no students in this classroom, but what you do is you click on students and then you give them this code. They will do the same thing you did. They will log into their account and they will type Google, they will click on Google Classroom and the plus sign that we just saw, and I'll go back. Actually, you just go to classes and the plus sign, they'll see the same thing and they'll click this, but instead of create, they'll click join. And as a matter of fact, because they're students, they don't have the create command. They will just have the join command. And then you will give them that code right there, class code. And once you give all of your students the code, it's a good thing to go ahead and disable it because you don't want random students with the code. And sometimes random students can get the code and they'll make some snide or idiotic comment. This way, you don't have to worry about that. And once you give them the code, they will automatically start to populate in the classroom. So let's go to one of my classes that already has students in it. And this class already has students in it. And so I already have some activities for them to do. I have uploaded these files, these PowerPoints for them to use to do their assignments. I also can create links for them to submit assignments, no matter what that assignment is, because Google works together with all of its other applications. If they need to submit a paper, they can turn it in via Google Docs. If they need to create a PowerPoint, they can turn it in via Google Slides. So all of it works together. And if you need to create a announcement, it's done here. If you need to create an assignment, it's done here. A question, it's done here. You can use Google Forms, which is another wonderful application that we will investigate later. But for our beginners, this is all you need to do. And the next thing, you need to upload the sites that you have created. All the wonderful work that you have done, you can now upload it. So if you want to upload your site, you can click right here and you can find your site. You can find your link and you can just add your link right there. That's an iframe. That's not going to work. But you just add your link and you click post and all of your kids will automatically get all of the information that you want them to have. You can give them all of the sites preemptively before an assignment. Everything that you need to do, you can do it relatively quickly and innocuously in the Google Classroom. And the great thing about the Google Classroom is it self-monitors. You don't have to worry about monitoring students. If the language gets out of hand, they will be blocked and you will be notified as the moderator of this classroom. And so that's just going to about do it for us and Google Classroom. And again, great job. You've gotten to the end. And now let's collaborate, let's share, and let's investigate and get new ideas of how to make these products even better and more productive in our classroom. Enjoy your day.